Welcome to the MET 423 and 523 Ergonomics and Work Measurement course. When you log into your Minnesota State University course management system and your course Ergonomics, you will see something like this. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the material and then content, and then you will see the syllabus that I have posted. I'll be explaining the syllabus in this video, so my office hours and everything. So here is the office hours, and also I have a virtual office hours. If you need to meet me virtually, you have to make an appointment with me. If you come in person, no appointment is necessary. You can simply show up during the office hours. And then the primary material I'll be using is my material is in the openeducator.com and the OpenEducator YouTube site, which we'll be explaining soon. And also this D2L course management system, which I have just posted this syllabus and all the other deadlines in there too. And these books are recommended but not necessary. If you want to learn more, you can basically study them. And then the design of the course is basically you have to take 10 online quizzes. These are primarily designed to learn, and therefore you can watch the video together. You can study the PowerPoint presentation, also available under content. You can see module 2 anatomy has the PowerPoint presentation where you can basically study the module 2 material. That's the first quiz. So if you go to the openeducator.com, so let me click in there. So if you go to the openeducator.com, then you'll see something like this, and then ergonomics. So module 2 is the first module where the material is start. Module 1 is basically introduction, syllabus, things like that. We're explaining this video. So you can basically start studying that, and the quiz online is already uploaded. So you can take the quiz right now if you want to. So this quiz, you can work together with another students, that's okay. However, you have to have your own answer. You cannot simply ask another person to give the answer for you. You can study together, watch the video together, watch the PowerPoint together, all the other materials, necessary material together. Once you're ready, take the quiz. There will be a quiz in person in the next class period when we meet, and I will pull some random question from the quiz just to verify that you have done the work appropriately. And if you're taking this class online, you will have to have an oral exam scheduled with me following that quiz day. So email me with your available time during my office hours. We can do that in-person quiz virtually. Bad design presentation, that is the first thing due in this class. So let's explain that piece. So you have also project, lab, and exam. So we'll explain each of these in this video. So in the bad design presentation, what you're going to do is basically you will present a things are not designed as expected. So there are lots of bad design everywhere. So you can find examples bad design here under the content of the course. So these are the bad designs from 2018 students. I also have 2 other years. So you can see things are not designed well. So what you have to do, you have to first find a bad design, at least one, and then you'll have to make 2 improvement for that. So one redesign solution that will kind of no cost solution, and another one with a very expensive no cost limit solution. And then you present that in next week due this bad design case study. So let's talk about the dues. Mostly you'll be using D2L site. The last page of the syllabus also has some expected due dates as well. So the bad design presentation is due on January 16, and then the first quiz on anatomy, occupational anatomy, due on January 18. If you go to the course website first page, you will see all those different deadlines here. So this case study due, first case study on bad design. So do the presentation. If you're taking this class online with permission, you will have to make a video like this to present your bad design and their solutions. The first quiz is due on January 18th. So if you click on that, that will take you to the quiz. It's going to take about 2 to 3 hours depending on the quiz time. The time is not reinforced. Like I said, it is more as a learning tool than in actual test. You get tested in the exam, not in the online quiz, also in in-person quiz as well. And here you see all these deadlines, and then the lab, we have a lab on physiology and anthropometry. Will give you some more direction on that, how to do that part. Let me go to the course material website, the openeducator.com, where I have posted all these different materials. If you click on the ergonomics, so here is the anatomy video. If you click one of these, it will take you to the YouTube channel where I have all the videos listed, so you can study them here. The first lab is an occupational physiology. You can check, you'll check the lab folder under assignment folder. Lab will be updated, and what you have to do for that particular lab, more direction will be given as we go along. So for this video, basically, so you can start working on this quiz if you want to on module 2. So the material will be the PowerPoint and the videos, and you take as much note as you can before you start the quiz. Try to learn as much as possible, and you can work together on these online quizzes. When you study, like I said, they're more as a learning tool. You'll be submitting your case study under assignments, or you can click on that link like here, and then you can submit the assignment here. You see a little bit different views than I do, but you get the idea. Once again, welcome to the Ergonomics and Work Measurement class. Feel free to ask any questions. You can stop by my office or virtually meet me in person, by Zoom.